so far. Today's video is just going to be a quick little living room cleanup. I don't have a whole lot that I need to do, but I do need to vacuum and dust, and there are a few things that I need to pick up around the house. So I will put all of my cleaning supplies in the description box below, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. here's a view of my nice clean living room. It took just a little bit over 12 minutes to clean it up, which I think is pretty good. Picked up everything, vacuumed and dusted. I will give you guys a little mini tour. I have this antique cabinet here that I bought at an antique store, and everybody always thinks it's painted like a cow, but it's not. That's just how the paint has chipped off of the cabinet. And then I have my farmhouse sign from Hobby Lobby. My TV stand actually was a old sewing machine base, and we took an old cabinet door and put it on top to make a table out of it, and I use it for my TV stand. There's my Home Sweet Home pillow, and I have a blanket ladder back there in the back corner, and then also a basket full of blankets, because when the kids come over, you know, we watch movies and stuff, everybody's got to have a blanket. And then excuse me, allergies, this antique lamp was actually a heat lamp, and someone converted it into just a regular lamp, and I got that as a gift for my birthday. Throw pillows. You can never have too many pillows. There's a view of that corner. I need to take that Easter wreath down and put it away. I actually made that for my front door, and I never did put it out there. And then my lamp came from Lowe's, and the lampshade came from Hobby Lobby. And I don't know if I showed you guys this. This is kind of a small gallery wall. Oh, and the barn door over there in the corner, I've had that door for years and years and years. I bought it at an antique store before barn doors were even popular. And right now, I just have it in that corner for extra storage, because I don't have a lot of storage in my apartment. And I have it sitting there in the corner with totes behind it.